Chris Rock's younger brother signs a celebrity boxing contract and wants to fight Will Smith. You know what he says, Mo?
What does he say?
He says, I'll let the hands do the talking.
That's what he said?
Yeah, let the hands do the talking.
Is that actually what he said? Or is this
what he said.
Okay.
Look what it says. Right there.
That's what he says.
That's what he said.
He just said it. I saw him interviewed shortly after it happened. He's like, I don't like this.
Of course not.
It's my brother right there.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
No.
If someone messes with your brother, do you say something similar?
Of course.
You say, I'll let the hands do the talking?
Yeah. Yeah, I sign a contract and I say, I'll let the hands do the talking.
So you approach the guy who's messing with your brother and you say, do you show the hands or are your hands down by your side?
I go like this. I say, I'm gonna let the hands do the talking.
Oh, I don't think that's gonna work.
No, he'll get it.
I don't know if that's gonna work, Mo. I hate to break it to you.
I like how I got Will to laugh there.
Well, Will's in a great mood today because of the t-shirt and everything. Yeah. Well, Chris Rock has remained adamant about not talking about the Will Smith slap incident that took place this year's Academy Awards. His brothers have chosen to go a different route. After videos of, it's his other brother? Videos of Rock's brother Tony talking about the slap of his, in a few of his stand-up routines surfaced. His younger brother Kenny recently revealed his desire to take on Smith in a one-on-one fight. Kenny revealed that he recently signed a contract for celebrity boxing and that his ideal opponent, I don't think it's going to happen. It might be your ideal opponent, but I don't think it's going to happen. Shout out Ben Zeno. I should get in the ring with Will Smith. Scroll up a little bit there, Will. I'll let the hands do the talking, he said before, later noting that he had doubts as to whether or not Chris will forgive the Fresh Prince. That's how they write these articles. They try to get the keywords in and stuff like that. We have to see if he's actually going to get the 10-year ban. They might say a 10-year ban. After 3 years, they'll think that we may have forgot about it, and they'll slide him in there after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. So we have to make sure these people do what they say they're going to do. It eats at me watching the slap over and over again because you've seen a loved one being attacked and there's nothing you can do about it. My brother was no threat to him, and you just had no respect for him at the moment. You just belittled him in front of millions of people that watch the show. All right, so Kenny wants to fight Will Smith. He signed a contract. He signed a boxing contract. I don't think that necessarily gets you a fight with Will Smith.
No.
And I have to assume that Will Smith will avoid this. Mm-hmm. But as Mo mentioned, when you have siblings, when you have a brother and you defend them, then you let the hands do the talking. But that's what Mo said, not me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just wanted to see how big he was.
What is he?
Size-wise.
What do you feel? Who do you think has this match here? Who's going to...
It's hard to tell.
It'll never happen, but... I mean,
what does he do for a living, this guy?
Oh, he's boxing here. He's... or shadow boxing or something. Well, that would be worse, right? Will Smith takes the fight and then beats him up.
But that's what I'm saying. What does he do for a living? Because we know Will Smith has gotten into shape and out of shape.
No, he's a boxer.
Oh, he is a boxer.
No,
okay.
I'm kidding.
Oh, well then, why are you goofing with me?
Why am I goofing with you? I mean, that's the whole point of the show.
Yeah, I know.
Is he a comedian as well?
I have no idea, to be honest with you.
Let's
see. Expanding new territory. The rebellious one of the Rock family, the real Kenny Rock at Gmail. Consistency is harder when no one is clapping for you. You must clap for yourself during those times. This is his Instagram account. No, I don't know what he does for a living. Mm-hmm. Okay. No clue. I don't think he's a boxer, but he's definitely willing to box here.
Yeah.
Based on this report.